Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas, dear children. Santa here sending you the warmest holiday wishes. May your days be filled with joy, laughter, and the magic of Christmas. Remember to be kind, share the love, and spread holiday cheer wherever you go. Santa's sleigh is packed with gifts and good wishes just for you, so keep those hearts merry and bright. Share your toys, give Big Bear hugs, and spread that Christmas cheer far and wide. Santa's watching, and he loves to see those smiles. And now for a little laugh. What do you get if you cross a snowman and a dog? Frostbite. Ho, 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 happy Christmas to all, and to all a good night.